Welcome to this training. I know we are all maybe in one
we bring education and tools together, technological tools. We are able to create a combination that creates opportunities for students, teachers, administration to be creative and to allow them to do things that they can only dream.
I've also been noted there in terms of some of the products that we use at Strathmore Business School are the Adobe CC products, whereby we have the Photoshop, Adobe Creative, Lightroom. Most of our pictures that we take for our participants and the faculty we have in school, we normally use the Adobe CC package to at least ensure that the pictures come out brightly enough.
A lot, have been enlightened, and thank you even for the gifts that you have given unto me. And I know this training have just changed us in terms of thinking and even in terms of training.
A lot about Apple and Apple in education, and I think while I've heard a lot, I've learned a lot. I think I still need to learn more, so I think if this can happen more and more, it will be better, so that we can see better ways in which we can improve education in Kenya using Mac and Mac products.
My name is Steve Kayugira from Strathmore University, Nairobi. I'm an academia and a researcher at the same time. So the event has been very insightful. We've actually learned a lot about the new features of OS 15 and the education tools, and I think this is something
So this was a very fantastic event. Actually, I would advise that we have more of this types of workshops, types of creative spaces where people can come and share about these new and innovative products that are very useful for education, especially the way we see the future of education, the future of learning going.
Learn about the new technology that Apple is offering, especially for schools. And I think as we move onward with the education sector, might be a plus for the institution.